How's it going, fellow Raptor friends? I have a set of headlight bulbs here, LED bulbs, that just might change your life. You might be thinking, where the hell have these things been my whole life? What I got here, I'm not even going to try and pronounce the damn name on it, but they are a white and yellow LED bulb. I know winter's coming. A lot of you guys may live up north where it snows, and also there's a lot of guys that do snow runs. These will really help. I've watched some reviews on them. I'm going to try myself. They're supposed to help in the snow. I've got some aftermarket headlights here, and they got the cheap Chinese bulbs in them. They don't light for shit, I'll be honest. So I'm going to give these LED ones a try and see how it works. We'll go ahead and we'll unbox it and show you what it looks like. Alright, now I got a little bit better picture here. If you look closely, you got some white LEDs, and then you got some yellow ones on both sides. You got a built-in fan, cooling fan here, and an inverter. Now, if you have the Ford factory lights, it's gonna probably be a different bulb with a different plug-in other than this weird thing. But basically, you just pretty simple, straightforward. Pop the light out, put these in, and I'll show you what they do. Alright, so with these aftermarket ones, once you get the headlight off, you got this little waterproof kind of gasket grommet thing. Then you got down here a couple of, there we go, got a couple little springs you pop off, and then take the headlight bulb out and the plug. So this here is the factory Chinese headlight bulb that goes into these projectors. It does alright, but my OEM stock regular halogen headlights I had did 10 times better. So we're going to pop this out. We're going to put this thing in here, close it back up, and see how it does tonight. Alright guys, so here it is, all kind of clipped in. It's kind of hard to get those clips around the fan, but once you get it in, it's no problem. You see the fan's already working. Now, what we got here to begin with is just your regular white light. Now what you do is you go ahead and you turn your headlight off real quick, and then within, I believe it's about 3 seconds, you turn the headlight back on and it'll turn to yellow. So we're gonna try that real quick. Alright, there you go. You have your yellow for driving in fog, snow. Guys, here's with just the regular headlights on. They look pretty dang nice and bright. I'm excited to see how they turn out. Let's take a look at that yellow 1 second. Alright, just look at that sexiness. Look at those yellow lights. That is awesome. I have a feeling these are going to do really well in the snow, fog, rain. I cannot wait to try these out, guys. Alright guys, here's what the lights look like at night. This is just the regular white. There is just a small hint of yellow to them. Not sure if that's LEDs themselves or if it's a reflection off the gold framing of the lights themselves. But that's low beam, and that is high beam. Looks pretty damn good to me. Way better than what I had in here before. And then we just turn them off, back on, and there's the bright yellow. Fog, snow, rain, whatever you need it for. And then there's on high beam. If you ask me, that is a pretty slick little headlight setup, and then just switch it off and back on, and presto, back onto white. Tell me what you guys think. I think they're going to be pretty handy.